All right, guys, looks like we have an MPS V2 setting up right here. We just need this candle to close red. As soon as this candle closes red, I'll be entering for a sell at market. Candle's closing shortly. Get a few more moments. It's about to close right here, and I'm in the position. So we're in this position right here at 42,655, currently in profit right now, about 14 points, 19 points. Price is pushing down, 23 points. Very volatile right now. It's bouncing back and forth. So I'm going to hang on to this a little bit, let this come back down. As soon as it hits my TP, I'm going to be pulling out of this trade with all of my accounts. So it's running back in profit right here, 13 points, 15 points, 17 points, and we're out full TP right there. So looking at our trades right here, it looks like we locked in a total profit of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 20, 30, 36. So total profit about 36,000 for the day. Not bad. Let's look for the next one.